Good morning, everyone. It's Darla at Scrap Happens here with Tuesday's tip. I'm really excited to share this tip with you. I saw it on our demonstrator planning site, and it's really cool. And I would have never thought of it on my own. So I have a scrapbook page that I worked on this weekend, which is not the focus of my Tuesday's tip. It's these banners that I created with the stitched rectangle framelits. And I want to show you how to do that today. I also made a card with it, which I'll share tomorrow on my blog, but with a different kind of banner. But I want to show you today how to create these. Super fun, super easy, and a really cool look. So let me get started. I pre-cut a couple of stitch rectangles here out of some crushed curry paper because I thought the stitching will show up good. I was hoping on the video that they would show up good. Okay, I'll hold it still. So let me show you how you do it. Before I put it on the big shot, I'm going to show you how to layer. So you cut your rectangle out, and then you use the same framelit that you cut it out with, and you make your banner. So you just lay this. Try to center it. It doesn't matter though if the banners are a little off. Okay. Then you put your top on it and you put it in your big shot. Oh, I should have put some washi tape on there to hold it down. But I don't have any right here handy, so I'm going to roll it through my big shot here. Whoops, everything's sticking. And voila, you have this really cool banner. Isn't that fun? I love it. I thought, oh man, whoever thought of that is so darn creative. So I wanted to show you, now this is my idea. I haven't seen this one anywhere, but it came from a really great idea. So I wanted to show you a different banner that I made. So I'm going to use this smaller one. And this is on a card for tomorrow's blog post. Let me roll it through my big shot. Then, so I have one side done, and then I'm going to do the other side. Which makes a really cool, oopsie. A really cool banner to put a sentiment on or something like that. Anything, you could really use it for anything. Okay, rolling it through. And voila, a really cute banner on both sides. So here you go. Different ways you can use your stitched rectangle framelits. And again, here on my scrapbook page. And here's the black one. Super fun technique. I hope you'll give it a try. If you have those stitched rectangle framelits, they are awesome. If you don't, they're a great one to get. And you can get them at my online store at Scrap Happens Here with Darla. No, that's my Tuesday tips. Yeah, Scrap Happens Here with Darla.com. I forgot I got a .com for a minute. Anyways, hop on over there and you'll see lots of other ideas and lots of projects. I've been blogging for a long time now, so you'll have lots of inspiration over there. If there's anything I can help you with, just shoot me an email or and sign up for my newsletter while you're there. That'd be awesome. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next week with Tuesday's tip.